Mindfulness is a practice where we develop the ability to revert to the present moment with focused attention. We cultivate the skill and awareness to observe what arises in the present moment with a balanced mind and without judgment. When practicing over time, mindfulness helps to improve our emotional intelligence and sociability skills. With mindfulness at the forefront, we begin to understand ourselves better and also begin to understand others with empathy. Our value systems and ethical conduct will improve gradually. These will allow us to maintain a healthy relationship with others by fostering positive traits such as gratitude, forgiveness, kindness, and respect for others. As we engage in our day to day activities with mindfulness, our mind will become open and accepting and glow with selflessness and generosity and with minimum prejudice and discrimination. Mindfulness practice helps boost our resilience and tolerance. In times of unprecedented difficulties, we remain calm like a pebble resting in the river bed. With consistent practice, the power of attention, memory, and analytical skills become enhanced. We learn to become contented with what we have. Sowing the seeds of mindfulness is best done in young minds. It is well known that students take to mindfulness with great ease. It is also well known that mindfulness improves the learning capacity. Educators in many countries have been voluntarily undergoing mindful certificate courses in order to become skillful mindfulness educators. They eventually function as advocates and ambassadors for mindfulness in schools and communities. Mindfulness can be integrated into the learning content and activities of all classes in schools and in any other education institutions. Mindfulness can be delivered through virtually or directly. Mindfulness is not a theoretical subject to learn. It needs to be practiced consistently, just like one who would learn to swim. We hope that Mindful Educator website would be a boon to anyone aspiring to become a mindful educator. Thank you.